Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to my channel, Lingo Learners Top. In today's video, we shall talk about some basic colors in French. So the name of the lesson is Les couleurs. This video is a bit long, but I have given examples so that you know how to use the colors while framing a sentence. Now there's one basic rule when it comes to the colors in French, and that is the colors have to agree with the gender and the number. That is, you have to see whether the noun is feminine or masculine or singular or plural. I hope you all know that in French, in order to make an adjective feminine, you add an extra E, and in order to make an adjective plural, you add S. So I'm gonna tell you the color and its masculine, feminine, singular, plural form. I request all of you to repeat after me for the correct pronunciation. So without further ado, let's begin the lesson. So the first color that we have here is black, noir, noir, masculine noir, feminine noir, masculine plural noir, feminine plural noir. Now the pronunciation for all is the same, but the spellings are different. C'est un sac noir, it's a black bag. C'est une bouteille noire, it's a black bottle. Ce sont les stylos noirs, these are black pens. Ce sont les robes noires, these are black dresses. So the black color in French is noir, noir. Next, the color yellow, jaune, jaune. Masculine, jaune, feminine, jaune, plural, jaune. So masculine, feminine, plural is the same, jaune. Since the spelling of jaune ends with E, you don't have to add an extra E to make it feminine. So it remains the same. C'est un sac jaune, it's a yellow bag. Ma voiture est jaune, my car is yellow. Ce sont les livres jaunes, these are yellow books. Ce sont les chaises jaunes, these are yellow chairs. Please repeat. Jaune, jaune. Next, this is the color green, vert. Masculine, vert. Feminine, vert. Masculine plural, vert. Feminine plural, vert. L'arbre est vert, the tree is green. Une pomme verte, a green apple. Les arbres sont verts, the trees are green. Des pommes vertes, some green apples. Masculine singular, vert. Masculine plural, vert. So the pronunciation is the same, but the spellings are different. Similarly, feminine singular, vert. Feminine plural, vert. The pronunciation is the same, but the spellings are different. Next, this is the color blue, called bleu. Masculine singular, bleu. Feminine singular, bleu. Masculine plural, bleu. Feminine plural, bleu. So the pronunciation for all is the same, but the spellings are different. Here are some examples. Le ciel est bleu, the sky is blue. Je porte une chemise bleue, I wear a blue shirt. Les stylos sont bleus, the pens are blue. Les chaises sont bleues, the chairs are blue. Let's see what color we have next. This is the color red, rouge, rouge. Just like the color yellow, jaune, rouge also ends with E, so you don't have to add any extra E to make it feminine. So masculine singular rouge, feminine singular rouge, and masculine feminine plural rouge with an S. La rose est rouge, the rose is red. Le vélo est rouge, the cycle is red. Les robes sont rouges. The dresses are red. Let's see what we have next. This is the color pink. Rose. Rose. Now, rose also ends with E, so you don't have to add an extra E to make it feminine. Masculine singular, rose. Feminine singular, rose. Masculine feminine plural, rose with an S. Mon ami a un sac rose. My friend has a pink bag. C'est une jupe rose. It's a pink skirt. Les murs de la pièce sont roses. The walls of the room are pink. Let's see which is the next color. Now this is the color purple. Violet. Violet. Now it's an exception. To make it feminine, you will just not add an extra E, but you will also add an extra T. Violet. Violet. Masculine singular, violet. Feminine singular, violet. Masculine plural, violet. Feminine plural, violette. Le plafond est violet, the ceiling is purple. Elle porte une robe violette. She wears a purple dress. Les murs sont violets, the walls are purple. Elle porte des robes violettes. They wear purple dresses. Please repeat after me. Violet, violette. Violet, violette. Now let's see which color do we have next. This is the color orange. Orange. Now this is invariable, that is, the spelling of orange doesn't change. So it is the same for masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine and feminine plural. J'ai une bouteille orange. I have an orange bottle. Je préfère un sac orange. I prefer an orange bag. Il y a 5 chaises oranges dans la salle. There are 5 orange chairs in the room. Let's see which color do we have next. This is the color brown. Marron. Just like the color orange, marron is also invariable. That is, the spelling doesn't change. Dans ma chambre, il y a une table marron. In my room, there is a brown table. Mon lit est grand et marron. My bed is big and brown. Les portes sont marron. The doors are brown. So for masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine feminine plural, it remains the same. Invariable. It doesn't change. Now we have the color gray. Gris. Gris. Masculine singular, gris. Feminine singular, gris. Masculine plural, gris. Feminine plural, gris. Le ciel est gris. The sky is grey. La voiture est grise. The car is grey. Les sacs sont gris. The bags are grey. Les chaises sont grises. The chairs are grey. So you have gris, grise, gris, grise. Let's check out the last color of this lesson. This color is white. Blanc. Masculine singular, blanc. Feminine singular, blanche. Masculine plural, blanc. Feminine plural, blanche. Blanc, masculine. To make it feminine, we add an extra H and E. And to make that plural, we add S. Le tableau est blanc. The board is white. La voiture est blanche. The car is white. Les sacs sont blancs. The bags are white. Les portes sont blanches. The doors are white. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. J'espère que vous avez bien compris la leçon. À bientôt. Au revoir. Guys, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and also share the link with your contacts. Thank you.